Hey bass lovers, here for this month of June mystery tackle box. So here we go. Alright, first thing I see in the box looks like some Magic Minnow swim baits by Weston. Has like a greenish silver clear color. There you go. Has one with the head on it and the other one without, so you can interchange them if one gets tore up. The next one got a square bill crankbait with chartreuse and color and a purple backing to it. Looks like it's by Vexen. See, next in the box, got a spinner bait, a blue and white with some willow leaf blades. There you go. Next is a diagram that shows where points to actually fish and what baits that they have in the box, where to be throwing this time of year. There you go. Pretty interesting. If you need to, pause the video, zoom in, take a look at that, okay? Some mustad hooks, some offset hooks there. Some mustad ultra point spinner hook with a little head on it. There you go. Let's see. Usually they try to pair things in here with it. Let me see here. I guess you could pair it with this right here. It's a green pumpkin. Let's see what this is. It looks like a traditional crawl. There you go. I mean, I wouldn't traditionally pair that with the mustad spinner, but I mean, you could use it as a swim bait to make it go through the water, but I mean, it's up to you. You can fish it however you want. Next, it looks like a lizard head with a swim tail on it. There you go. By Wave Fishing. There you go. Has like a pumpkin seed with a red flake in it. And then you got what's inside the box, the listing and the price, and your tips and tricks. Kind of like your monthly digest. There you go. And lastly, looks like these stickers that you always get in every single month's box. A fish on a motorcycle. There you have it. That's this month's box for June. Guys, stay safe with the virus going on, and stay outside as much as possible and fish as much as you can. Catch you guys later.